You use a soldering iron to make that stress machine.
Yes?
You turned it off.
Oh, I'm fairly sure I did.
Because you remember what happened last time, right?
Yes, that was very funny.
Well, no. It was very dangerous and someone nearly died.
Right, no, yeah, I was thinking of a different incident, the one on the golf course.
What? I'm talking about the fire.
Oh, yeah, fire, sorry. I always get mixed up between golf and fire.
Just make sure it's off.
It is off, I think.
Well, just make sure it is.
I will make sure it is.
And if it's already off,
I'll just walk away. Hey, get off my back. What is he, the soldering iron police? It's off. That means I turn it on and just walk away.